na ang chili with mincemeat and potatoes curry. Ayan. Ulam namin for lunch at saka dinner na din. Masarap ito partner ng chapati, pero sa akin rice talaga. My today's recipe is bitter gourd curry or krili, they call it here in Pakistan, or ampalaya. So, what I did is first, of course, I wash this one very well, and then I slice it, and this is the way I slice and remove the seeds. So, I will put salt here, and then leave for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I will squeeze this one. So, this is the way, their version to make krili hair or ampalaya bitter gourd. So, dapat sundin natin yung kanilang way of cooking para walang reklamo, walang debate. So, ilip ko muna ito ng 5 minutes, and then i-squeeze ko ito, and then tanggalin yung tubig. Ayan, ilip ko muna ng 5 minutes. Ito na yung binabad ko sa sa asin for almost 5 minutes. So, gawin ko dito ay squeeze ko na ito. Yan, ganyan. Kasi maraming tubig. Squeeze ko muna, ay ganyanin ko muna para matanggal lahat yung tubig. Lamasin na ganyan. Ito nalamas ko na masyado, kaya ito may tubig-tubig. So, gawin ko dito ay ganyanin ko muna. Ayan, daming juice. Oh, yan, dami, oh. So, ilagay ko dito. Ito yung tubig niya lahat, oh. Oh. And then, next ay ito, hugasan ko ulit ng clean water. Tapos, ulit, squeeze ulit. Oh. Squeeze ulit. Para matanggal yung pait. Kasi may talaga ang palaya na mapait. Ito yung way na pagluto nila dito. Ayan. Ito na yung aking squeeze na ampalaya. So, I make fry first. It's better after you squeeze this one and put in the sun, but there is no sun today, no good weather. So, must be this one is to make half fry. And also, I mix also some slices of potatoes. Optional, you can mix, or you can mix also, or no need. So I have to still not half fry this one. So now in another casserole, let's saute now first onion. Or first garlic. It's up to you if you saute first garlic or onions. But by this time, I have to saute first garlics, then to be followed by onions. But most of the time when I'm cooking, always I saute first onion. So it's no problem. Now we can put now this one. I will add also some lentils. This is coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, and cumin seeds. This is also optional. So if you put this one, it's more tasty and aroma is good. And this is already half cooked. Garlics and onions is already brown. Now we can put also ginger. And then to be followed by salt, chili powder, and turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon and 2 tablespoons. And then to be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. And then we have to wait this one until tomato is paste. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this boiled minced meat or keema. They call it here keema. I keep also some because I will cook again another recipe for tomorrow. And this is the best partner of bitter gourd or grilly or ampalaya. So we wait this one for 2 minutes because this is already. Now let's check. Now we can put now also this half fried potatoes and also this bitter gourd. And the reason why I add more potatoes is to become more our viand because in one day I have to cook only one time. So can save gasol and also time. And this is for our lunch. I think what time now is 12 noon, I think. So this is for our lunch and also for our dinner, and there is more extra that you can eat also tomorrow lunch. So we have to wait again this one for 5 minutes because minced meat is already cooked and potatoes and bitter gourd is already cooked. Now we have to cover it. We have to wait again for 5 minutes.